Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I was having a real good hair day, so I wanted to go ahead and go over my Sephora haul that was all skincare and hair care. So hang tight, that's happening right now. All right, my beauties, let's get straight into this Sephora unboxing. Now, I went ahead and started on something new for my hair, and I am super hype. My hair is actually my favorite thing about me, so I tend to obsess and try to find the best products possible, and I think I have landed on something that I have been looking for a very long time. And not only do I hear Tati talk about this brand all the time, but one of my dearest sisters and friends from childhood actually started using this a while back, and I heard good things. So I went ahead and ordered the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And I am really enjoying this. There are no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So I'm very excited about that because I'm allergic to everything, as we know. And along with this, I went ahead and ordered, now this is from a different line. It is the Blossom and Bloom line. It's a ginseng and biotin volumizing conditioner. And I went ahead and got the larger size because it is a far better value, I can tell you that. And to complete the trifecta of products, I went ahead and got the little trial size of the Don't Despair Repair hair mask. And I will go ahead and let you know that I've been using this stuff for about a little over a week, and my hair has never looked better. It actually has volume, and I am shook to my core. You have no idea. I am one of those people where it doesn't matter what stylist, I could probably have the best stylist in the world, and my hair is not holding a curl for anybody. You could probably do anything to it. I have tried perming it back in the day, never do that again, but never had volume no matter what I've done, no matter what product I've used. So this is all the Briogeo, baby. So I am definitely hooked. Tati is not hyping these products for no reason. They are fantastic. Briogeo is wonderful if you're trying to repair your hair, because mine has seen a lot of damage because of the climate I live in. It tends to be very dry, very hot. As a matter of fact, it's about 110 degrees outside right now, so definitely enjoying using these, and I will give you an update very soon. Moving right along to skincare. If you have watched any of my videos, you'll know that I have been using quite a few drugstore products, and I was using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line, pretty much everything in the line, and I discovered that they had hidden sulfates in quite a few of the products. So they hit the trash can and I hit Sephora. And I went ahead and picked up the Origins Ginseng Facial Moisturizer. It's an energy boosting gel moisturizer. And I know everybody has seen it probably a million times. I know Laura Lee raves about this. So if you've watched her at all, you've probably heard about it. Has a very wonderful citrus smell. And I've been using it for, like I said, a little over a week, just like the hair products. And I have to say that I'm having far less breakouts on my cheeks and on my chin, which of course I really appreciate. So this is a goodie upon first impression. Now we're going to sun protection, and I went ahead and picked up something brand new to me. It's from Neogen Dermology, and it is a Korean skincare brand. It is, here we go. It is the Daylight protecting sunscreen is SPF 50 triple plus, something to that effect. Everything on the back is mostly in Korean. There is a small passage that is in English that I'll read to you now. This lightweight, fluid-like sunscreen offers major protection with broad spectrum SPF 50 PA triple plus. It delivers light but nourishing hydration from rose and raspberry extracts. So dry skin types, this girl, can get an extra boost of hydration. The quick absorbing formula leaves no white cast and no greasy feeling. So that is actually why I went ahead and purchased this. This is actually a $30 item, and I know it is a lot to invest, but skin is very important and you live with it for the rest of your life, so you might as well take care of it. And with the climate I live in, let's hear it again for the 110-degree weather. That's right. So protecting my lily white skin, priority number one. And I will let you know how this is doing in the next couple weeks because so far, no breakouts. And it hasn't disturbed my makeup one bit. So far, so good. So I've been out running some errands and I just wanted to let you guys know that the sunscreen is working fantastically. Normally I am super duper red when I am out and about doing errands, but I am looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and link everything in this video in the description box so that way you can check them out for yourself and see pricing, ingredients, and everything else. So look for that in the description box below. Back to the video. And just because I was feeling fancy, I went ahead and used some of my points because I don't order enough or buy enough from Sephora because the Sephora near me is inside a JCPenney, and if you've ever been to one of those, it's nearly a waste of your time. So I often shop online and I'll usually buy direct from a retailer. So I went ahead and I used my points for Versace Bright Crystal. I really enjoy fragrances, and I will have a fragrance review video coming here really soon. I have quite a few samples, and this one does not come with a sprayer. It is a cap that comes off completely and with the little tiny classic applicator. So this pretty little one is gonna go on display because she is so darn cute. I really enjoy the scent. I don't know how to describe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my full research before I hit you with a fragrance review. And as always, with your Sephora order, you get to pick your sample products. So I went ahead and got, let's see, more fragrance. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. So I got that sample. And I also got the Tuile de Hermes. And I really enjoyed this one. I actually have already tried it out, and I'll be really happy to explain this one to you soon. And for the third and final, we have Good Genes by Sunday Riley. Now, I have heard wonderful things. It seems like it's either a love or a hate thing with Sunday Riley. And for me, they are quite expensive to figure out if I actually love or hate them. So I went ahead and took advantage of this little tiny all-in-one lactic acid treatment. It is so small. I'm sure it barely has enough for one application in it, but I will give it a go because it says it is for all skin types. So we will see in a future Mask Monday if this is worth your money. And finally, I got another little goodie, and Sephora is just so good about giving you those little things that are just awesome. And I got a deluxe sample of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and I have actually never tried this, so I am really excited to give this one a go on a try on Tuesday, or maybe just an extra bonus video for the week. So you will see this wear tested in a video very soon. And there you go, my beauties. It was actually a really short one today. I very rarely can keep my mouth closed long enough to make a short video. Something under 10 minutes is actually unheard of, really. I would say a good 90% of my videos are well over the 25-minute mark. So I hope you enjoyed this little tiny Sephora unboxing. Coming up soon, I will have my Fame Expo haul, which Fame Expo was the first weekend in June. And like I said in my mini life update, so much happened before I was able to get back in front of the camera. So I have that entire haul to show you, plus a few additional things. I also have the June Slut Box by Amber Rose to go ahead and unbox. I will do a separate video for that. I do have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette, along with the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I'm looking around and I had so much come in simultaneously, and all the tragedy and things happened at once. So I am backed up with boatloads of content. So you're going to be seeing things that I'm trying out that have maybe been on the market for a little while, so they won't be as exciting as when they're brand new. But I can promise you that you will have a lot of fun with me, especially with the Jeffree Star and Lunar Beauty. I have something really special planned for that. And I hope that you join me back on Monday, because I will be returning with Mask Monday, including a very special guest. So if you are married, you've got a boyfriend, you got your man, have him sit down this coming Monday with you for Mask Monday Men's Edition. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this little quickie video. Everyone loves a quickie, we know that. And I hope that you have a wonderful day wherever you happen to be. If you are new here and you haven't yet, go ahead, hit that red subscribe button and ring my bell for notifications, because otherwise you won't know I exist. So go ahead and hit the like button if you're enjoying the shorter videos, or let me know down below what you're thinking generally about my format of videos, because I'm still trying to get in the groove. Definitely this background behind me is going to get finished. Life has just been really out of control lately. So yeah, definitely you will be seeing so much new. And of course I will be unboxing the upcoming BoxyCharm and just so many more things that I have. Oh my gosh, and I haven't even said Beauty Bar Baby, the 4D reflective. These are actually quad shifting eyeshadows, and not only are they available in the pressed pan, but they are also available at a much more affordable price as a loose pigment in a jar. Oh my gosh. You just have to go look up Beauty Bar Baby, their Magic Wand eyeshadow collection, and I have 3 of them. The pans are super expensive. They will knock your socks off at almost $18 per pan. But they are magic, and I will be doing a video on that very soon with the magical swatches to see if it is worth the $17 per pan. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you are most excited to see, and I will see you in the next video. Love, light, and highlight.